What's going on, homies? It's your boy BatDad85 coming back at you with something a little bit different today. This is definitely a first for me. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous. We're gonna be doing an unboxing. One of our subscribers sent us this about a month ago, actually. I just haven't gotten around to unboxing it and having a chance to shoot this. So yeah, I don't know what to think. I mean, I've been checking on it to see if there's anything smelling or rotting from inside, but it doesn't. It seems like it's okay, but we're gonna find out. So without further ado, let's get to cracking this thing open. And I don't have. I gotta have something to open it. Bear with me 1 second.
2 hours later.
Alright, so, my knife is in one of my backpacks somewhere. Will result to the trusty wooden spatula. Alright, let's get to it. This is like clumping up. Alright. Thank you for your... Alright, so... Nothing funky yet. I'll give you guys a uppy-closey. I'm actually kind of surprised because this looks a lot cleaner. It looks like somebody actually put an order together for us, so I don't know. Still kind of nervous, but stay tuned. Let's see what we got. Alright, now if I haven't stressed this enough, I'm still really nervous about this damn package. I brought my trusty spatulas with me in case there's any, some funkiness about. There is something. What the hell is that? Like flower petal on top. A couple flower petals, I think. They look like flower petals. It's either that or it's a dried up booger. Either way, ugh. Oh, I see something fuzzy. There's packing peanuts in here. Now they shipped it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah. They took the time and the effort to ship it this fragile, so... I still don't smell anything, so I think we're golden. I'm just gonna kind of dive in here, and if there's funk, there's funk. I mean, see what this fuzzy thing is. A pom-pom keychain. Ooh. It's literally just a. It's literally a red pom-pom. There's no note or anything inside either, so I don't know. I mean, I know who it's from and they asked to remain anonymous, but I don't know what this is all like. I have no idea what this is about. Tons of packing peanuts. For all those days that we're sitting in that awful chair that we have while we're live streaming. Hemorrhoidal cream. For all those hemorrhoid problems you got. Gee, thanks. Well, at least we know that it's somebody that actually pays attention to the channel, right? More fuzzy keychains. A plush fast food accessory. It's a cheeseburger. It's a stuffed cheeseburger keychain.
Why? What does it all mean?
Oh, you know what? I think I know. I know. Ah, yeah, that's right. You can wear it in case you don't have necklaces. There's clips, and you just hang these. Yeah, like that. Ooh, look at my tassels. Look at my little tassels. What else we got here? And really, you guys just went ham at like the dollar store and bought a bunch of crap that you want me to put on for some stupid video. This is what YouTube has done to me. This isn't right. You guys are sick. You guys are all sick individuals, you know that? Meh. I don't know who... Meh. Who does this? I know who does it. And you're lucky I don't just tell everybody who you are. Some gun. I know why you did this. You did this for my tassels. You did this for my tassels like this. Eh? Now, it doesn't really stand out because I'm wearing a dark shirt, but, yeah. Meh. Oh, I broke it. I already broke my coconut bikini bra. Whoops. You guys literally just... Meh. $125 googly eyes. Now at first I was a little bit upset because I thought that these were adhesive googly eyes. So there's 125 of these googly eyes that don't have adhesive backs. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with it. I do know what I'm putting Detective Bat Dad. I'm figuring it out, guys. I gotcha. I'm picking up what you're throwing down. It's not. The hemorrhoid cream is not for the chair purposes. That's what we all thought. It's what I initially thought too. Okay. That's not what the hemorrhoid cream is for. You're all kindly mistaken. Wow. That tip is not what I expected hemorrhoid cream to look like, but okay. Alright, so let's dump some of these out here like that, and then we'll... How's this come? I'm scared to see how this comes out. Okay. Alright. We're getting somewhere here. Yeah. I think I'm getting what you're saying.
A few moments later.
Okay, now I couldn't obviously do 125 because I have a little head. And big arms. So yeah, we got as many as I could get on there. So let's continue our unboxing here now. The creature that grows 600%. You guys really did just go to the dollar store and put a bunch of shit in a box, and you're like, Bat Dad will do something with all this crap. He won't just let it all go to waste. So yeah, we now have this lizard that will grow in some kind of water, and we'll have to start that at the end of the video, and then maybe do an update video on that. So yeah, thanks for the lizard content. Oh. Now this is something I can get behind. Goofy string. Oh. Oh, snap, that's going everywhere. Yeah, boy! I can get behind silly string. That's something I can get behind. And more popcorn. We got these awesome glasses here to help. I mean, not that I have glasses on already, but to help complete the ensemble. Let's see if we can get that on there like that. There we go. Okay. Yep. I see what you guys are doing. See what you're doing. How stupid can we make the Bat Dad look? Hey, why you always gotta look so stupid and childish? Alright, here's the last item. And these are some wall crawler ninjas. Oh, cool. They're jiggly. Oh, but they're hard plastic, too. They work. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. It's actually working. It's actually working. It's quite the sound. So yeah, that's everything. Besides the peanuts, that's everything we got for our unboxing today. Hey, stop eating the dogs. Stop eating the peanuts. That's packing peanuts. They're not real peanuts. You're not supposed to eat. You're not even supposed to eat real peanuts. You silly. But that's going to do it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in for our unboxing video. Thank you so much to the subscriber that sent this to us. Much love, buddy. And smash a like, subscribe, comment down below what was your favorite item in the unboxing. And is there anything in the future you'd like to see? I gotta go. I obviously have some cleaning up to do. Thanks. Ciao. Alright, let's bust this thing open. It says here, submerge your creature in a large container full of room temperature water. And